In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on Asana's built-in time tools inside a project and set them up so your whole team can estimate, track, and review time right where work happens. First, open Asana and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you have access to the workspace and project where you want to track time. Time features can vary by plan, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your admin or confirm your plan includes time tracking. Next, open the project where you want time tracking to live. It's best to enable this at the project level, so every task in that project inherits the same time fields. This keeps reporting consistent and saves you from adding fields task by task later. Now, select any task in that project to bring up the task details pane. You don't have to pick a specific task you're working on. We're just using this view so you can access the project customization tools from the same screen. Look to the top right of your project view and click Customize. This opens the project's configuration sidebar where you can control fields, rules, and other add-ons. We'll focus on fields because that's where time tracking lives. Inside the Customize panel, go to the Fields section. This is the list of data points that appear on every task in the project, like priority or due date. You're going to add Asana's time fields here so they show up consistently across all tasks. Click Add to create or attach a new field to the project. This is where Asana surfaces a catalog of recommended options, including its native time tools. Choose time your work. This bundles Asana's purpose-built time features so you don't have to piece things together manually. Finally, choose an option that matches how you want to track time. If you need lightweight planning, pick estimated time so teammates can enter how long a task should take. If you care about accuracy after the fact, add actual time so people can log the hours they spent. If your plan supports a built-in timer, select the timer option to start, pause, and stop tracking within the task. You can combine estimated and actual time to compare plan versus reality later in reports. Once you finish, the selected time fields appear on every task in the project ready for your team to use. Keep field names clear. Set expectations on when to log time and review totals regularly to improve planning and workload balance. That's it. Your project now has time tracking set up right in Asana.